Today, I'm going to show you how to create a powerful promo video in just 3 simple steps. Whether you're an entrepreneur, small business owner, or content creator, these steps will help you create videos that get attention and drive results. So let's jump right in. Step 1, decide your main point and audience. The first step to making a killer promo video is deciding what your main point of your video is, and more importantly, who your audience is. Are you promoting a product, service, or event? What do you want viewers to take away? And who are you speaking to? Defining this will guide your entire video and help you craft the right message. Think about their needs, desires, and how your video will solve their problem. Step 2, script and recording using AI tools. Step 2 is all about creating your script and recording your video. You can write your script yourself, or if you're short on time, use AI tools like ChatGPT to help you craft it. Once you've got your script ready, you can either record it yourself or use AI editing tools like CapCut or Opus Clip to make the process even faster. These tools make it super easy to get the professional results you want without a lot of technical know-how. Step 3, edit with ease. Now, for the final step, editing. After recording, it's time to bring your video to life. You can use editing tools like CapCut or Kapwing, which are easy to use even if you're a beginner. Links in the description for all of those, by the way. These platforms offer pre-made templates, text overlays, transitions, and everything you need to polish up your promo video and make it stand out. And there you have it. 3 simple steps to create an awesome promo video that will connect with your audience and get results. Remember, it's all about having a clear focus, using the right tools, and making your message stand out. If you would like to use the services of Earl Hall Studio to create an awesome promo video for your business, just go to www.earlhall.studio for the full 411. I'll catch you on the next video.